Welcome, welcome, welcome to Big Progress Channel. Today, I have a question for you, Lam. Are you ready?
Maybe. Questions are scary.
Okay, here is the question. Very simple, but also shocking. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday? I don't know. My brain is empty.
See, that is the problem. You lived yesterday. You ate, you walked, you slept, but when I ask in English, your mind says error, not found.
Yes, exactly. In my language, it is easy. In English, my mouth is closed.
Don't worry, you are not alone. Many learners feel the same pain. They know words, but they cannot talk about the past.
Yes, I want to tell stories. I want to say, yesterday was fun. Last weekend was great, but I feel stuck.
That is why today is special. Today we open a small secret, a very small secret, but it gives big progress.
Oh, a secret? I like secrets.
Here it is. Talking about the past in English is not hard. You do not need long sentences. You do not need big grammar books. You only need small words and the right order.
Really? That sounds too good.
I know, it sounds like a lie, Jessie J, but stay with me. At the end, you will say, "Oh, that's it?"
Okay, I am curious now.
Good. So first, welcome again to Big Progress Channel. This is a place for slow English, clear English, friendly English, one step at a time.
I like that. Slow is good.
Lum, let me ask you something easy. How are you today?
Today, I'm good. I'm a little sleepy, but I'm happy.
Perfect. Today you say, "I am happy." Now listen carefully. Yesterday is not today.
Yes, yesterday is yesterday.
Right. So in English, we change one small word. Just one.
Only one?
Yes. Today, I am happy. Yesterday, I was happy.
Was. I was happy.
Very good. Say it again, slowly.
I was happy.
Perfect. See? No fear, no stress.
That feels nice.
Now another one. Today, I am at home. Yesterday,
I was at home.
Yes, you are doing English already.
Wow, that was easy.
It is easy. English likes patterns. Let's add more people, not only I.
Okay.
Today we say, "You are here." What about yesterday?
You were here?
Excellent. So remember this. I am, I was. You are, you were. We are, we were. They are, they were.
So was and were are past words.
Yes, they talk about feelings, places, states. For example, I was tired. We were at the park. The food was good.
Like food was good.
Me too. Food is always good English. Let's make a tiny story, only 3 sentences.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yesterday, where were you in the morning?
Yesterday morning, I was at home.
Good. How did you feel?
I was sleepy.
Honest answer. One more. Was the morning busy or quiet?
It was quiet.
Great. Look at you. You just talked about yesterday.
Hey, I did.
Now, let's move. Let's talk about actions, things you do.
Like eat, walk, sleep.
Yes, exactly. Today you say, "I walk to work." Yesterday, we change one small thing. We add ed.
Walk, walked.
Yes, yesterday, I walked to work.
That sounds okay.
It is okay. English likes simple things.
What about talk?
Great question. Today, I talked to Hannah. Yesterday, I talked to Hannah.
Talked. I talked to Hannah yesterday.
Perfect sentence. Gold star. Listen to these words. Watch, watched. Cook, cooked. Clean, cleaned. Play, played. They all smile with ED.
ED family.
Yes, the ED family.
Okay, let me try a story.
Go ahead.
Yesterday evening, I watched TV. I cooked dinner. I played games.
That was perfect. Very clear, very natural.
Really? It felt simple.
That is the secret. Simple English works. Lum, can I tell you something?
Uh-oh. Is it bad?
Not bad, just a little surprise.
Okay, tell me.
Some verbs are special. They do not like ED.
Oh no,
Don't panic. There are not many, and you already know them.
I do?
Yes, for example, today you say, I go to work.
Yes.
Yesterday, we do not say goed.
Go, it sounds funny.
Very funny. We say, I went to work.
I went to work yesterday.
Excellent. Your English is growing.
I can feel it.
Another common one. Today, I eat breakfast.
Yesterday, I ate breakfast?
Yes, eat, ate.
Nice. I ate rice yesterday morning.
Great sentence. Very real. What about drink?
Good guess time. Drink to...
Drank?
Wow. Yes, drink to drink. This is like a game.
Exactly. A fun game. Let's go slowly. Yesterday morning, what did you do first?
I woke up.
Nice. Wake, woke.
I woke up at 7.
Good. Then what?
I ate breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate bread.
Simple, perfect. Then what?
I went to work.
Look at that story. You are telling your life in English.
Hey, I am telling my life.
Lam, this is important. When you talk about the past, you share your life, your feelings, your memories.
Yes, I want that.
And you don't need big words. You need was, were, ed verbs, and a few special verbs. That's all.
That feels possible.
Good, because we are just starting.
Starting.
Yes. In the next part, we will build a full story, a real weekend story. Funny, easy, natural.
Oh, I want to hear that.
Good. So imagine this. Last weekend, you went out. You saw people, you ate something delicious.
Wait, wait. My brain is making pictures now.
Exactly. And we are about to turn those pictures into English words. Slowly, clearly, and with a smile.
Okay, I am ready. My brain is open now.
Great. Let's go step by step. Lamb, tell me about last weekend.
Last weekend. It was good.
Nice start. Say it again, slowly.
Last weekend was good.
Perfect. Now let's add one day. Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
Okay. What did you do on Saturday morning?
On Saturday morning, I woke up late.
Good. Late mornings are happy mornings. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 9.
Great. Then what?
I ate breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and bread.
Very clear. Very natural. After breakfast, did you go out or stay home?
I stayed home.
Good. Stayed. What did you do at home?
I watched TV.
What did you watch?
I watched a movie.
Was it good?
Yes, it was funny.
Did you laugh?
Yes, I laughed a lot.
Laugh, laughed. You are using English very well.
Hannah, sometimes I forget the verb.
That is okay. Everyone forgets.
Even teachers?
Yes, even teachers. The secret is this. If you forget, just use simple words.
Simple words. Big progress.
Exactly. Okay, what about Saturday afternoon?
In the afternoon, I went to a cafe.
Nice. Who did you go with?
I went with my friend.
Good. Was the cafe busy?
No, it was quiet.
Quiet cafes are the best.
Yes, I drank coffee. My friend drank tea.
Perfect. Drink, drank. After the cafe, what did you do?
We walked in the park.
Nice. What did you see?
I saw many people. I saw dogs. I saw children.
Great use of saw. See, saw.
The park was beautiful.
That is a lovely sentence. What about Saturday evening?
In the evening, I cooked dinner.
Wow. What did you cook?
I cooked noodles.
Simple and tasty. Did you eat alone?
No, I ate with my family.
That is nice. Family time is important. Lamb, listen to this. This is your story. Last weekend was good. On Saturday, I woke up late. I ate breakfast. I stayed home and watched a movie. It was funny. In the afternoon, I went to a cafe with my friend. We drank coffee and tea. We walked in the park. I saw many people. In the evening, I cooked dinner. I ate with my family.
Wow, that is my life.
Yes, and you told it in English.
I feel proud.
You should. This is real progress. Let's review together. Very short.
Okay.
To be in the past.
Am, is, was, are, were.
Good. Regular verbs?
Add ed. Walked, watched, cooked.
Perfect. Irregular verbs we used?
Go, went, eat, ate, drink, drank, see, saw.
Excellent. That is enough to talk about your day. One last thing, Lamb.
Yes?
You do not need perfect English. You need brave English.
Brave English. I like that.
Make mistakes, smile, try again.
I will.
And to everyone listening, thank you for learning with us today.
If this podcast helped you,
Please like this episode
subscribe to Big Progress channel.
and write a comment. Arrow, what did you do last weekend?
We love reading your stories.
Remember our slogan.
Small words, big progress.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.